Sayyid Mohsin. I'm from the Department of Maritime Sciences. Today I'm going to Sayyid Mohsin Hassan.
Mazin?
Mohsin.
Can you share your first slide?
This is the first and only slide. Today I am covering the topic is ocean. Why is its importance in the human civilization? And today we are now in the age of artificial intelligence. So we start from the ancient history, then we come to an era of genetic modeling. So first I am going to tell you the historical scenario. So what is the first we started from? We start from the ancient period that we used to say that why sun rises, what is the survival period of a human being. Then we come to the point of the philosophical inquiries of the morality. What is morality? What is justice? What is law? What is the method of wisdom? Then we have a scientific revolution period that we tend to know that we have Galileo and we have the Renaissance period, that the period that we have challenged, we challenge the churches that why you are not liberating and composing us. The fifth one is the modern social period that at times the slavery is the prestigious one thing, but now we oppose the slavery. So the last we have a period of postmodernism, the post-truth, that was the nature. What is the nature of reality? What is the future of human civilization from now onwards? Why question is not merely a pursuit of answer, because I think we have to re-evaluate ourselves day to day, even our re-perspectivism. We have to change day in out. We have a time, a notion that we have to make ourselves understand other person in a philosophical sense, in a way. Why this Socrates is relevant to us now? I think Socratic method, the dialectic method is very important for us. That at that time period, people used to have a discussion in Athens that what is wisdom, what is justice, why we are here, what is the nature of reality. Now I can say lastly that the power of questioning is today is that if I ask to all of you that if you had your life the same exactly and you live again and again, would you be happy?
No.
Why?
Because
why you want to change yourself? Why you want to change this life?
Because there are so many things which we think we have done but we have not. So every time we had a chance to live one more time, we will try to improve ourselves.
That means we have questioned ourselves day to day. That's true. Okay. So on the last point, I have given you a thought, a philosophical thought that if he who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. Thank you very much. If you have anything to ask me, so you can ask me.
Sir,
That's all.
Ji, Mr. Sayyid Mohsin.
Questioning. We have discussed this in the last topic on the last session that we have tons of skills. So I can select this question
Topics is civil.
No, it's questioning. Sawal question.
Knowledge question.
Yes.
Question.
Yes.
Ji, your plus point.
I think I made a point to relate a philosophical sense. That is a plus point. I think the weakness is that I won't able to cover some of the aspects of the historical background that, for example, some of the Rousseau, Soren Kierkegaard, even the Kant. So that's the thing that I missed somehow.
Ji, the audience.
Sir, Mohsin sir, बहुत insightful presentation थी. It was like epistemology पढ़ रहे हैं, मुझे अच्छा लगा. कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो कि मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहूँगा. Apart from this, आपकी knowledge बहुत अच्छी है, आपने चीज़ों को explain बहुत अच्छा किया. Flow of the questions जैसे आपने put किए थे, आपने explain किया. लेकिन just for the sake to improve and learn, हम एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं।
Definitely.
आपका gesture and postures जो थे ना वो या तो silent थे या absent थे। इससे होता ये है कि audience became highly authoritative, even still जो आपका gesture है या आपका posture जो है ये audience को authoritative बना देता है, जिसकी वजह से audience can sabotage।
Okay.
ठीक है, that's the thing। इसीलिए हमारे gesture and postures जो है ना वो signal कर रहे होते हैं। आपके gesture and posture जो signal कर रहे हैं वो आपकी knowledge को deprive कर रहे हैं इस वक्त। तो आपके gesture and postures के ऊपर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप थोड़ा हाथों का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, एक जगह confined नहीं रहेंगे, confidently। मैं ये नहीं कहता आप पूरे क्लास में move करें, एक दो स्टेप लेफ्ट राइट भी होंगे तो उससे जो है ना ऑडियंस को ज़रा सा कॉन्फिडेंस फील होगा है, उनका लर्निंग एप्टीट्यूड जो है वो शायद आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को देखकर राइज हो जाए। सो दिस इज व्हाट फ्रॉम माय साइड।
Very insightful. Very insightful. Thank you.
जी और